Have been repeatedly told that Charlotte right now is at a low risk overall for coronavirus because, among many other reasons, we have no direct flights to China.
We do have an average of just under 100 flights per month that go to Seattle, where the outbreak, as we said, is centered in the U.S. so far. Channel 9's Elsa Gillis went to Charlotte Douglas today to ask about precautions in general while people travel.
Well, Scott, Erica, I think no matter where you're going, it's something on the mind of a lot of travelers here. I know I'm flying out in a couple weeks. It's hard not to be at least a little bit worried about it. But what I can tell you is officials here at Charlotte Douglas are preparing for what could happen.
People are scared.
Paul Bradford says he flies nearly every other week and is seeing the impact of coronavirus fears.
Probably 2 in 10 people either have a mask on. I mean, I've seen people over the last couple of days in full-on medical gear, like whole suits, and just trying to do everything they can to avoid any type of germ. So it's been really weird traveling.
We saw people today with masks on and using sanitizer right before speaking with airport officials about what they're doing.
Obviously, we're concerned. We're looking at, we're working with county health and state health and the CDC. We participate in weekly briefings.
The aviation director says they already have a communicable disease response plan in place that was updated in 2019 and has been activated in the past for other diseases. Right now, they are in preparation mode.
At this point, Charlotte is at a relatively low risk, and we're actively monitoring and working with our stakeholders to understand how this situation develops and to be prepared if and when the situation necessitates it here in Charlotte.
Despite uncertainty, flyers told me they're not stopping their routines just yet.
It kind of makes, I think, everyone nervous, and we still got to do what we got to do, right? So we still got to live.
Now, this airport has not been identified as an airport for advanced screening by the government, and it's not a CDC quarantine station. Now, I also want to add, one of our Channel 9 employees flew out of Charlotte Douglas just a couple hours ago. She told me she forgot her hand sanitizer at home, so she went to 3 different shops here. They were all out. So whether it's for the flu or coronavirus, people here are trying to protect themselves. Erica.
Yeah, it sounds like every individual doing their part, which is what we need all of us to do. Thank you, Elsa.